Okay, so here is my new Super Bronco Bilt rototiller. Still in the crate. Here shows you Super Bronco counter rotating rear tine tiller. Built in America with US and global parts, but still built in America. I think it's Ohio that they're built in. So anyhow, now I gotta take it out of the box and put the handles on, put oil in it, and be ready to go. But today it's raining outside, so I'm not gonna be doing any garden work today, but it's a good day to set this up. Okay, so let's take a look inside. I took some staples out of the box. And here we go. Take a look inside. So, I have this wood frame right here, cardboard box, wood frame inside of it to protect it. As you can see right there. Shipped really well. Really heavy duty staples in it too. But here's so basically here we have the handle right here. And then there's some oil down here, along with the instruction manual. And the rest of it looks pretty good. And of course, add oil before use. So this is this has a Bilt 208cc engine in it. So now I just have to take this crate apart right here. It looks like. Start taking the crate apart. And probably cut the box and get this rototiller out of here. Okay, so I have this Bilt Super Bronco all set up, gasoline in it, engine oil in it. It's all set up on instruction manual. I engage both tires on each side. You pull this pin out and they slide in and out to engage them. So they're engaged right now. So now it's the first startup of this engine. So let's see how easy or hard this engine starts up. Right out of the box, the very first time. I haven't run it yet. So let's see how this goes. Put the choke on, I'm gonna give it full throttle. And we'll see how this goes. I've never ran a 208cc Bilt engine before, so this is gonna be interesting. I also have the tines not touching the ground right now. It's not engaged, so we should be fine, but the tines are not touching the ground, just to be on the safe side. One pull. all set properly, one pull is all it takes. So my first impression is pretty good so far on this nice Troy Bilt. Looks pretty good. We'll just have to use it now and see how I like it. Yeah, looks really nice. This is how you control how deep you till. And then this bar right here, you pull back to make it go forward. You release that bar and pull back on this one to make it back up. So it can't be much easier than that. And you know, right here is how you control your, just pull back how deep you want it. I mean, I'm gonna have it all the way down right now, but this is maximum depth right there. It'll be, and that's kind of like just a protection level where you just put it in there and at times it won't hit the ground. And you can do anything in between that. I believe this will till down to 6 inches. So we'll see as time goes on. Straight out of the box, so far so good. thanks for watching, and this may not be a woodworking video, but it's still kind of fun and interesting. I thought it's just fun and interesting. I like to garden too. It's another pastime or hobby of mine, and just want to share it with you because I'm excited about getting this brand new rototiller. Again, it's a Super Bronco. It's built by Bilt. So far so good. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day.